In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter on your Toyota RAV4. Replacing the oil filter regularly is key to keeping your engine clean and running smoothly. First, make sure your car is parked on a level surface and the engine is cool. Open the hood and locate the oil filter, usually a round canister-style part near the engine block. Next, get under the car and place a drain pan under the oil filter area in case any oil spills. Use an oil filter wrench to turn the filter counterclockwise and remove it. Be careful, as some oil might leak out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to the rubber gasket on the new filter. This helps ensure a good seal. Screw the new oil filter in by hand until it's snug, then give it a slight additional turn. Don't over-tighten it. If this video helped you change your Toyota RAV4 oil filter, please like and subscribe for more simple car care tips. Thanks for watching.